you sure everyone will like it?
It's literally called the Be Yourself Awards. How couldn't they?
You know how I feel about my image. My hair is my trophy. It's everything. I'm not used to being natural, and most importantly, my followers aren't used to it.
Listen, what you're saying is a little superficial. It's about what's on the inside. Plus, if your followers really love you, they'll accept you no matter what.
You're right. Thanks, Mona.
You're welcome.
Now, can you do another quick tutorial on some of the products we use?
You have 1 hour to get ready, not an eternity. Let's go.
You're right.
Chrissy Cutie, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, you look so different from your Instagram. I didn't recognize you there with the new hair. I'm Felicia, fa-la-la-la-la on Instagram.
Oh, is that a bad thing?
No, I like the new look. What you use?
Aunt Jackie's.
Yes, girl, I love that. I use it on my hair. Curl-la-la. Make my curls on fleek.
Girl, yes. Well, thank you.
No problem. Okay, I'll see you later.
Welcome to the 2020 inaugural Be Yourself Award. Tonight, we're gonna mix some things up a bit. We originally planned to present the award for Best Style of the Year, but we decided to make the award the Be Yourself Honorary Award. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the 2020 recipient of the Be Yourself Awards, Miss Kristen Wong.
Thank you all so much. I went over my speech 1,000,000 times, but it doesn't mean a thing now. When I found out I was going to be nominated for the Best Style at the Be Yourself Awards, I was everything but myself. I was so focused on the glitz and glamour and the Instagram followers. Then something happened. Something happened when I had no choice but to be myself and show the world who I truly am. It took strength and courage to leave my home tonight without my 3-hour beauty routine. But I don't really need those things. I only need to be myself. Thank you guys so much.